Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel Carry-On Edition. Today we are at the Athens City View Hotel in Athens, Greece, staying in Suite 102. There will be a keypad to enter, and you come in and the room is small, but has everything you need. You'll put your key in here to activate the power and the AC. And you've got some coffee. And here we have the washroom, which has your standard just toilet and stand-up rain shower. And it's got the handle. Amenities that it comes with are some shampoo, conditioner, bath and body wash, and bar of soap. Nightstand with towels, TV. Everything is the standard European plugs, so remember to bring your adapters. And they do have USB in the wall. Check the other side of the bed here, make sure. Yeah, on both sides of the bed. And your phone for reception. And step outside onto the little terrace. And you are boxed in. But they did make it kind of cozy. This door seems to want to close on you, but I don't think it will. You can come back in. You have your full-length mirror. AC is over there. This room does have a safe, some bathrobes, slippers, and a mini bar. We were told at the time of filming this that the water is free, but everything else is per charge here. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of Suite 102 at the Athens City View Hotel. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, leave a comment.